Today is Sampson and Simeon's first birthday, so we have some rambunctious 1-year-old German Shepherd Rottweiler mix. We're introducing a new feature called Pet of the Month on this channel. So for Pet of the Month, send in your videos of your pets and we're gonna feature them on our channel. And tell us how they've enriched your life and what their special characteristics are. Alright? This is Mr. Simeon. He is our little escape artist. Please note, Simeon was locked up. I cannot deal. So I just heard the other one carrying on because guess what? Simeon escaped. Simeon was not let go. He enriches our lives by always surprising us. No matter what we do to tie him up, he always finds a way to get out. His brother is complaining right now. Let me go let him out.